Welcome to Vlogmas Day
14. That was so much cinnamon in my oatmeal, but to be honest, it was so good. So I think I might put more cinnamon in my oatmeal from now on because it was delicious. But let's start the day. It is literally nearing the end of the day right now, but yeah, let's go do something, see what we get up to. So I've just opened up this yogurt, Riviera oat-based vegan yogurt, vanilla. I'm not a huge fan of vanilla yogurt, and I love this brand, but I don't really love this flavor. So I am going to put it in my ice cube tray and freeze a bunch of this up to use for smoothies in the future. And our ice cube tray is full, except that one because there's a hole in it. Let's put it in the freezer. Alrighty, we are back and I'm making supper. I've decided to try to get rid of all of the old vegetables and everything that's on its way out because it is our garbage night, so we can get rid of all of the old stuff out of the fridge that's bad and everything. And I thought use up everything left that we possibly have to try and make a soup. And tomorrow we'll get groceries and restock the whole fridge. So I'll show you. I'm making a leek soup. I had 2 leeks, so I'm just frying them now. They're probably pretty good. I should probably add some more stuff in here now. They're cooked down pretty well. And then I have some potatoes, a little bit of kale, rice noodles left over from yesterday, and then I'll show you the rest as I go. Alrighty, I put the spices, thyme, salt, and pepper. I have the potatoes in here and vegetable broth. I'm going to add in chickpeas, some red rinsed lentils, and we can't forget the bay leaf. Let that sit in there, and then we're going to just bring this to a boil and then probably let it low boil or simmer for maybe half an hour. Our soup looks like it's good. You can't see any of the red lentils anymore. They've turned like clear or yellow. The potatoes are cooked, lentils are cooked. So now what we're going to do is take out our bay leaf, because you are not supposed to eat the bay leaf, so take that out, discard of it, and then we're going to immersion blend this soup. Alrighty, and we are blended. Look at how creamy it is. Okay, it kind of looks gritty when I do that, but so I'm gonna taste test it now. I've never made it like this. I usually just use potato and leek. I've never put the chickpeas or the lentils in there, so I'm gonna taste it and see what we taste like before I add anything else. Oh, look at that top. Okay, so good. Let's add our other ingredients. Okay, I've decided I'm gonna add a little bit more salt and pepper to it. I'm going to add in my frozen peas. Now I'm going to put in the kale. The kale will only take a couple minutes. Oh, shit. Alrighty, I'm just going to let it simmer. Well, not really simmer, but just kind of be on low for maybe 5 or 10 minutes here, just to let the kale wilt down. So my noodles are cold. I didn't want to waste them, so I'm just going to put some in each of our bowls, and then I'll put the soup over top. I mixed the noodles in, and this is our final. It's like very thick. Yeah, I don't know. This is gonna be interesting. Let's try a bite. It's really good. The chickpeas and the lentils add so much more like thickness and texture. It's so good. And I really like the kale. Actually, I really thought it fucked up when I put the kale in there and started mixing it. I was like, I don't know about this. But the kale and the peas are normally in there. So good. I could really do without the noodles though. The noodles, really weird. Way too much. Would have been perfection without the noodles. So, but everything else, so good. So that will be it for the vlog today. I hope you enjoyed my soup recipe. and I don't know, it's like garbage can soup. I don't know. Compost soup. I don't know. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. We will go grocery shopping, so I will see you there. Bye.